morning everyone! Welcome to our channel again at Simply Smith Family. Ayan guys, kasama ko ang dalawang bata at today we're going to the garage. So naunan na si Daddy at tayo ay sumusunod. Kasi pagbalik wala na siyang sasakyan. Iiwan na doon sa garage. Hope you're all okay at saan man kayo, parati kayong mag-iingat lagi at enjoy ang life. Ayan. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Ang aga, sabi namin, we need to be early. Ang aga. Tapos na late na kami nagising kasi pagod ang mga beauty ng mga lolo at lola. So pagod kami guys, pero kailangan bumangon kasi kailangan may mga activities tayo. Gawin ang mga nakalistang activities. Yan. So naka-book ang van ni Tomas because something is wrong daw. Kapag when he drives it, something is wrong. So he needs to go to the garage and get it checked. Whoopsie. Yeah. 16 degrees today. So medyo makulimlim at malamig. Ala, tulog ang Ben. Oh, he's so right. I thought you were asleep, anak. Kailangan na nating mag-fuel. Paubos ng ating gas. Ano dito? 129 point. Ayan, we'll do it when we get back home. On our way home. Ayan, pag pag-collect natin kay Daddy, we'll go to the shop, boys. We need to get some milk at ang ating little bit of food shopping. Dahil we're going away tomorrow if, fingers crossed, if everything goes well with the check ng van day. Ayan guys, nandun na daw si Tomas. Tumawag. Andito na ako and it can be fixed today. So hopefully, fingers crossed guys. Yeah, you want a picnic? Fingers crossed, maayos nila today para makagalat tayo tomorrow. Kasi bago pumasok ang mga school, they have only like 2 weeks now. And then September 3 mag-start na sila ng pasok. Beep! Si Taximan sumingit. Ayan guys, so hopefully okay today ang ating van. Beep! Fingers crossed. So tomorrow, kung everything goes well, matutuloy tayo sa Wales. Pasyal tayo sa Wales. May pinakamalapit na campsite na gusto namin is about 1 hour and a half. Pag traffic, kaabutin ng 2 hours. So hopefully walang traffic. So at sana okay lahat para tuloy-tuloy ang ating bakasyon. It's a shame with the weather kasi naging malamig na Sana maging okay para at least okay yung couple of days natin doon para makapag-break naman, hindi lang yung monotonous na work, bahay, kids, work, bahay, kids. So kailangan we need to change the scenario, the environment. Kasi nakakabagot yung ganun guys, di ba? Parang kapagod. So dun ka mag-start ma-stress. Kasi iisa lang ang routine mo. Parang there's no change. It's not healthy. So si Tomas sabi niya, oh, I need a break. I need a holiday. So nag-request siya ng holiday and then the rest of his holidays. Kasi 2-3 days lang naman kami dun. And then the rest of his holiday we can sort some stuff. Kasi madaming mga paperwork at mga anik-anik ang ayusin. Ganda ng kulay ng Range Rover. There he is, guys. So, nasa garage na siya. So, hopefully, maayos nila. Bye, Van! Hold on tight! Are you happy, Ben? Hold tight! Are you ready, boys? William? Ready? Ben, are you ready, Ben? Good. Are you ready, William? William, are you ready? Because last time you said, Mommy, I need the seatbelt, please. Because I forgot to put his seatbelt.
Good on that, William.
Yeah. Because every time we do like this, every time we move, and then
yeah, we'll put tractor on.
yeah, we'll watch Tractor Ted. Yes, please,
Well,
Daddy.
William, you can let William watch on the telly actually, and then you can
On
put
the
some on the
iPad,
computer or
yeah.
the iPad. Yeah. Oh, the iPad. Yeah, that'd be better, wouldn't it? Plug the iPad in and then put that there.
That key. Shopping is finished! Woohoo! We're going home now, boys.
Did you say Auntie Gail's taking Dad out today?
Tuesday.
Tomorrow. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's Monday today, isn't it? Oh my word. So I said we'll either see Dad Friday or Saturday this week because we're going Wales. Thank you, Mr. Volkswagen.
Skoda.
Oh, Skoda.
There's a Volkswagen underneath though. Oh, take them Skoda badges off, the Volkswagen's underneath.
Yes, we're watching Tractor Ted. It's now 16, but it's warm, isn't it?
It's muggy.
I was cold out earlier.
Yeah, when we get home, mate, I'll put tractor on for
We
you.
promised Tractor Ted to Benjamin, guys. At ngayon non-stop na siyang Tractor Ted, Tractor Ted. Okay, we're going home now. Nearly there, nearly there. Are you sure you want to watch Tractor Ted or the robot? Wally! Wally!
What do you mean?
Oh, you don't want Wally. What about Eva? You want Eva? Oh
Come on,
my God.
Jesus Christ.
What are you doing, Audi? He's in the middle of the road, avoiding the curb and the pothole. It's a new car, that's why.
I'll bleep myself. Swear words, swear words, swear words, swear words.
Swear words, swear words. Ah! Swear words. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Daddy's
That is angry, yeah, because of that silly Audi car driver.
Incompetent.
That driver is in the middle of the road, scared to go near to the curb. What, the pub?
No, there's people in there, but it must be the landlord's
All night,
family.
yeah.
Must be the landlord's family. Because there's the kids sitting there.
Or having a party, birthday party.
Oh, they put new signage up.
Yes, yes.
So now we can tell if someone hits it again.
That's right. August 11 they put the thingy on.
Yeah, they've all been battered.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Ben. Loads of cars. Loads of cars. Oh, maintenance. What they doing
Council,
here?
this is.
What they doing?
So who's parked there when we came out?
Look how nice our road. Okay. Oh my. You go out of my way, boys. Thank you.
Out the way instead of stopping.
Correct. Out of the way. Go first. I'll wait. Oh wow. Aha, we can park in the drive.
You might as well, yeah.
Is that Charles' car?
No, it's very similar. Charles is a 14, that's a 65.
Oh, I know what we're gonna do later, boys.
What's that?
After we pack our caravan, we'll give it a good wash.
We're
hot! Ayan guys, may bisita tayo. What are you doing under there? Come out! May bisita tayo. Ayan. Ayan guys, tinan mo yung mga to, magulo ang ating bahay. Oh, William, you okay? We've got visitors. Where's your shorts?
What's that all about? I've got another beef if we get paid £1 million.
Ayan guys, oh, katatapos nagdede ni baby Ayla. Talagang may sinturon pa dyan, ha? Sinturon nito, masa work.
Hindi ko napansin eh.
Sinturon nito,
guys.
Ayan guys, tapos na tayong nagluto ng ating tocino. Yan, tocino, luto na. Kain na. Be careful! Oh no! Careful! Nagkagulo na guys, nagkagulo na. Oh no! Oh no! Be careful! Careful! Oh no! Oh no! What happened? Oh, that's it now. Finish. Finish. Ayan pa yung ating mga bisita at yung mga feel at home ha. Magulo pero okay lang. Ganyan talaga ang buhay dito. Magulo ang bahay.
Malapit na naman yun, di ba?
Oo, dyan lang.
Ako mo na si Ben.
Ayan. Ayan. Enjoy. Ayan mo. Kalat ka. Ben, what's up, Ben? You okay? You want to see the baby? Alright, we'll go back and see the baby, okay? Ayan guys, lumabas kami para balikan ang van. Tapos na daw ang van, so I'm glad everything is fine. Naku, ang ating Ben, he's crying.
Stop.
Tired, he's tired. Oh, look at that. They're cutting the trees. Look. Oh, maintenance, Ben. Oh, look. Oh, they're cut the trees. You're nearly done. Nearly done. Oh, no. Ah, there's the van. There's Daddy's van ready to collect. Yay. Tuloy tayo bukas. Woohoo. Are you happy? Can you see Daddy's van? There it is! Yay! Ayan, we're here na guys at swap na naman. Ako na naman ang mag-drive sa red at siya na naman dun sa yellow. You got the... Oh, it's alright. You got your cake.
See you later.
Bye, darling. See you later. Okay. Ayan. Okie-dokie, Ben. We're going na na. We're going on... Yan guys, tara let's. Uwi na tayo. Ano? Yeah, Daddy's got the van. Let's go now. Let's go. It's okay, it's okay. I know. I know. Thank you. There we go. Tulog na ang bed, guys. Music time. Music lang pala ang magpapatulog kay Ben. At saka yung syempre move ng car. Sa wakas, nakatulog din. Ayan, ayunin pa siya. Come on, green light. Magical pa? Magical! Magical! Aba, ang Tomas. Aba, naglilinis. Hi, darling. It's shiny already.
Just because it's wet.
That's a good brush, isn't it?
It is. Very good. I'll have to put the ice back on the end.
Ah, yan.
Scrub it again, just water coming out.
Right. Yeah. Ayan. Cleaning the caravan, guys. Ayan. Smells nice.
Huh?
Smells nice. Ayan. Ready for tomorrow. As soon as we're awake tomorrow, gogora na tayo. Ang check-in nila is 11:30. So, ang biyahe is 1 hour and a half. So, pwede tayong umalis ng mga 9. Guys, tingnan nyo ito. Oh, may bulaklak siya. Kailangan malinisan sa ilalim. Ang ating bulaklak. Hindi ko ito dinidiligan, guys, ha? Ano lang siya? Yung ulan. Ulan pa. Buhos ulan. Wow, malinis ang caravan. Baka pwede din yung car. Baka pwede din palinis yung car, darling. Busy ang husband. Siyempre, holiday na. Excited umalis bukas, guys. Aba, may assistant. Where's your shorts? Go get your shorts.
Nothing did it.
Oh, be careful with the pointy bit. You going to help Daddy?
You know.
You going to help Daddy? Which one? Which one? This one? Which one? Which one? Nagkakagulo na sila sa loob, guys. Pasok muna tayo. William, aim it to our plants. Kawawa naman yung mga plants natin, oh. Dry na dry.
Right, I need that
Give it to Daddy, please. Daddy. Which one? Sabi siguro ni Daddy, magugulo kayo sa loob, dito ako sa labas maglinis ng caravan. If you can relate other daddies out there, to be out of the way, you prefer to go out and clean something outside somewhere. Kasi magulo ang mga kids. Diba? Tapos! Yeah! It's finished! Thanks, Daddy! Baka pwede the other car! Maybe... I don't! No! It's just newly cleaned. The window is just newly cleaned. No! Squirt that to the car, darling. I'll come and rub it. Scrub it. Chikahan ng mga tatay. Yeah. Ayan na. Kaya mo? Ayan. Madali, lagay mo na. Hindi ka marunong. Bye, Christian. Thanks for the visit, Day. Wow! Pati ang van, guys. Ang sipag ng aking husband today. Next is the car now, is it, darling? Yes! Yeah, I'll come and help. Do you want me to do that and then I'll do the... What can I do? Oh, okay. Honest, the weather isn't that. Ayan guys, tulong din tayo para may contribution naman. Yan. Oh, car wash pa more. Dali niya na yan yung sasakyan dito at kami maglilinis ng iyong... Ay, ayaw. Ayan guys, na-convince ko ang aking asawa na anuhin ang aking car. Thanks, darling.
Hey. What?
Linis pa more. Scrub pa more. Scrub pa more. Cup of tea time. Ayan guys. Tapos na ang ating car wash. Siya. At si Thomas is eating rice and mung beans. At ako naman tsaa muna. Tsaa lang. Kasi kakain ako mamaya ng rice. And then I'll feed the kids. And then bedtime for them. And guys, thanks for watching.